This is Village Auto's 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 Crew Cab Bighorn Edition 4-wheel drive Shortbox. Absolutely gorgeous 2-owner truck. Accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. The dual exhaust, tow package, rear park assist, bed liner, 20-inch alloy wheels with 4 brand new Goodyear tires, vent visors, chrome step bars. Very sharp, very well maintained truck. This one does come equipped with a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 along with the automatic transmission. Incredible deal for only $13,550. Let's get inside here for you. You have the cloth interior, exceptionally clean. You also have a full power options, power driver side seat, full center console with a floor shifter, the Dodge Uconnect with the auxiliary input and the Bluetooth connectivity, electronic 4-wheel drive switch, ice cold AC, steering wheel info controls along with audio controls, adjustable foot pedals. You also have a auto dimming rear view mirror, home link, power sliding rear window. Altogether very clean, very well maintained truck that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 Crew Cab home with you today.